Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesh Chandra Rotial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to help the learning of mathematical in easily and understanding method. By these videos, we can solve the easily in any type of mathematical questions and we understand them. So today's topic is linear equation in graphical but in shaded system. In the previous video we have already learned what is the condition, which condition we solve the linear equation and how we can represent it in graphically method. So today we learn how we can make shaded system graph. Shaded system, sometimes some student confused in this question. In this question we have not equal to sign, that is represented by less than or greater than, that is represented by shaded system. So we take a graph x greater than or equal to t 2. Here x represent greater than or equal to sign. Here sign is greater than or equal to. And previous video and previous time we learned and solved only equation which represent by equal to. With that time we have not any sign greater than less than. So we solving it. It is simple to previous method. So if you want to solve it and we make a graph. All time if we want to make graph, first make plus signs x-axis, y-axis, x dash, x, y, y dash and write the scale and origin represent by 0. Scale is all time is fixed on x-axis. One big box equal to 1 on y-axis. One big box equal to 1. So now we have value is x2. We did not transfer any coefficient on left side to right side, right side to left side, because x is in single, it has not coefficient and any denominator. So first we represent x equal to 2 line. So we represent x equal to 2. Generally for solution we solve it just like equal to sign, but after solution we represent it by graph shaded system. So x equal to 2. So marking the point 1, 2, here. For solving this in shaded system, here we have line x equal to 2, that is this. It is easily to mark x equal to 2, but in shaded system we shaded in which side? Here x value is greater than. X value is greater than. Greater than means which side x value is greater than, shaded that part. Here x value is less than left side and greater than right side. So we shaded it in right side. That is this system. Always check x and y value, which side is greater than and which side is less than. Okay, here x value is greater than. If x is on second side, then it will be in left sided system. So now we solve another question by this method. It is solved simply by equal to sign. After solution we check in which direction we set it. X minus 2y less than 0. Here we have linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So if we want to find the zeros, then we have need two equations. But if we just represent in graph, then we does not need any other equation, we can represent it in easily. Here, generally we transfer, take one alphabet in left side and other all things in right side. So x less than 2y, because 2y transfer second side, then sign will be changed, minus to positive. Now we represent this line. For representing this line, we make a table. Now we have only one equation. We does not need to solve roughly where can we find the value of which point is it is intersection point. Now we suppose value of y or of our choice. Generally we take y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then x is also 0. If y is equal to 1, then x is 2. Y is equal to 2, x is 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Now we represent it in graph. 0, 0 is here. Second point is 2, 1. It is. Next point is 4, 2. 4, 2. That is point is here. We have these 3 points. Now join these 3 points. Coordinate of 0, 0, 2, 1 or 4, 2. Now we want to set it this. Now we check. We take both of alphabet in positive sign by transfer. Here in starting, x is positive but y is negative. After transfer, both are positive. First we make positive both. Now check. X is less than, means line left which side is x less than, we set it that part. Here x is greater than this side and greater than less than upper side, and both of them upper side it will be set in. By this method we can solve the less than greater than graphically solution easily. And last our question is, if we have two equations, two solutions, sorry, 3x minus 2y mod less than equal to 5. 3x minus 2y less than equal to 5. For solving this, we make graph in previous method. Now we represent and origin is 0. Scale is never changed because it is generally formed, or always we write on x-axis 1 big box is equal to 1, on y-axis 1 big box is equal to 1. For solving this, first we take 3x minus 2y. Mod means it will be make sign is positive. Both of time it is negative or positive. So first time we write it as it is, 3x minus 2y less than equal to 5 if it is positive. If it is negative means negative time it will be greater than of 5. So we represented 3x minus 2y greater than equal to 5. Sorry. 2y minus 3x less than equal to 5. In mode we take the equation two times. First time we take as it is, and second time we change the sign of in part of mode. So we represent it and represent following equation by previous method in graph. So solving it, we take x alphabet in left side 3x less than equal to 5 plus 2y, and x equal to less than equal to 5 plus 2y upon 3x. We make table. And second equation we do similarly. What? 2y less than equal to 5 plus 3x here in both equations have some conditions. Generally we suppose the value of y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 generally. Here if we write the value of 0, y is equal to 0, then 5 upon 3, we cannot divide 5. Now we take y is equal to 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 or 5, 7. 7 upon 3, it cannot solve it. In next time we do take number is 2, 2 to the 4, 4 and 5, 9, 9 upon 3, it will be possible. So we take y value is 2, y value is 2. For the writing is, we multiply, write the value of y is 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 upon 3 is 3. So we write the value of 3, it here. In second time, we take first time 0, 0, 3x is 0, then 5 upon 2, it will not divide completely. Second time we take x is equal to 1. 1, 3 1 is 3 and 5, 8, 8 upon 2 is 4. We can solve it. So write the value of x is equal to 1. After putting value x equal to 1, 3 1 is 3 and 5, 8, 8 upon 2 is 4, 1 and 4. And previous we have already learned we add and subtract multiple of x in y. One side added and one side subtracted. Here multiple of x is 3. So we added one side 3 to 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 3, 11, 11, 3, 14. And one side is subtract. 3 is subtract, then we get minus 1, minus 4. Now here multiple of x is 3. One side added 7, 4, 3, 7, 10, 30. One side subtracted. And next, we have in previous time we have already learned in x add and subtract where product of y. Product of y. Here product of y is 2. Multiple of y, product of y is 2. Then 2 is added and subtracted. One side added and one side subtracted. But here sign is negative. So added and subtraction side are same. So we add 3 to 5. 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 and subtract 1 minus 1. Here product of y is 2, one side added 1 or 2, 3 to 5 to 7, 9. Here minus 1 and minus 3. And we mark this in graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, we have marked this type of point in graph. Now we represent minus 1, minus 4. Means x value is minus 1 and y value is minus 4. That point is here. Next, 1 minus 1. That point is here because x value is 1 and y value is minus 1. Next point 3, 2. That is here also. Next point 5, 5. 5, 5 is at this point. Now we join these all points in a line. Okay. Now we check second line. Minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. Point is here. Second point minus 1 and 1. is here. Next point 1 and 4, that is here. So 1 and 1, 1 and 4 join this line is represented by this method. Now we check here. X is less than means which side is x less than, we mark this because x is less than in this direction, and y is greater than in also in this direction. In second line y is less than, here in this equation we check in which direction y is less than. In downside y is less than, so set it this equation in inside, set it equation in inside. By set it, we does not solve this equation. It is represent only when we get the sign less than equal to. If it will be equal to, then we can solve in previous method. By representation this, we have only some condition and shaded system. So thank you for watching this video.